Welcome to Wealth Ideology Journey. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. Becoming rich isn't just about earning more money, it's about making the right choices. Many people work hard but never build wealth because they fall into bad financial habits that keep them stuck. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to know what to avoid just as much as what to do. In this video, I'll reveal 10 things you must avoid if you want to be rich. Watch until the end, because avoiding just one of these mistakes could change your financial future. Part 1. Relying on one source of income. Relying solely on one source of income is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make, leaving you exposed to a level of risk that can be catastrophic if things go wrong. If your entire livelihood depends on a single paycheck, what happens when that paycheck suddenly stops due to layoffs, health issues, economic downturns, or even company restructuring? The truth is, when you only have one stream of income, your financial stability is as fragile as the job or business that supports it. The wealthy understand this danger all too well, which is why they actively pursue and cultivate multiple income sources to safeguard their wealth and continue growing it. Whether through investments, rental properties, royalties, dividends, side businesses, or online ventures, they build diversified revenue streams that provide resilience against unforeseen circumstances. With several income sources working simultaneously, losing one does not spell financial disaster. Instead, it becomes a manageable setback. Part 2. Living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a destructive financial pattern that traps countless people, regardless of how much they earn. It's a vicious cycle where money comes in only to be spent almost immediately on bills, lifestyle expenses, debts, and fleeting pleasures, leaving nothing left for savings or investments. This habit persists not because of low income alone, but often due to a lack of financial discipline, planning, and foresight. Even those with high salaries can find themselves struggling if their expenses continuously match or exceed their earnings. The wealthy, on the other hand, approach money with a deliberate strategy that prioritizes financial growth over temporary gratification. They budget meticulously, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose, whether it's for daily expenses, savings, investments, or charitable contributions. Part 3. Not saving or investing. Simply saving your money and letting it sit idly in a regular bank account is a surefire way to watch your wealth erode over time. While having savings is essential for emergencies and short-term goals, relying solely on a bank account for building wealth is a flawed strategy, because inflation continually diminishes the purchasing power of your money. As prices rise year after year, the value of your stagnant savings effectively shrinks, leaving you with less real wealth than you started with. The wealthy understand that accumulating money is only the first step. The real key to growing it lies in strategic investing. Rather than letting their funds gather dust, they put their money to work through investments in stocks, real estate, businesses, bonds, or other income-generating assets. These investments provide returns that far outpace the negligible interest rates offered by most traditional savings accounts. Additionally, by diversifying their investments, the rich mitigate risks while enhancing their potential for significant financial gains. Part 4. Spending more than you earn. Spending more than you earn is a financial trap that guarantees perpetual debt and stress. It's a pattern driven by a desire for instant gratification, often fueled by societal pressure to display wealth through expensive cars, branded clothing, the latest gadgets, and lavish lifestyles. Unfortunately, many people fall into this cycle, sacrificing their financial future to create an illusion of success that exists only on the surface. The wealthy, however, understand that true financial security isn't built on appearances, it's built on sound financial principles, discipline, and long-term planning. They prioritize their spending, focusing on assets that appreciate rather than liabilities that drain their resources. Instead of trying to impress others, they seek to secure their future through smart investments, savings, and continuous financial education. They recognize that the pursuit of wealth is not about short-term pleasure, but about building a stable and prosperous future that offers freedom and flexibility. Part 5. Avoiding financial education. Avoiding financial education is one of the most significant mistakes people make on their journey to wealth and stability. Many spend decades working hard, tirelessly exchanging their time for money, yet never taking the time to truly understand how money works, how it grows, and how it can be managed effectively. Concepts like taxes, investments, budgeting, debt management, and wealth-building strategies are often neglected, either due to a lack lack of interest, or the mistaken belief that they are too complex to grasp. However, the truth is that ignorance is far more costly than education. While the average person focuses solely on earning and spending, the wealthy dedicate themselves to learning, constantly seeking knowledge through books, seminars, online courses, mentorships, and conversations with financial experts. They know that the financial landscape is always evolving, and staying informed is essential for making wise decisions and capitalizing on opportunities. Part 6. Fear of taking risks. Fear of taking risks is one of the biggest obstacles that holds people back from achieving financial success and independence. While caution has its place, playing it too safe can be just as damaging as recklessness when it comes to building wealth. Many people prefer the comfort of a stable job with a predictable paycheck, avoiding investments, entrepreneurial pursuits, or unconventional opportunities simply because they fear failure or loss. However, this mindset guarantees stagnation, as true financial growth almost always requires stepping outside your comfort zone. The wealthy understand that calculated risks are essential for achieving substantial gains. Business owners, investors, and entrepreneurs recognize that not every venture will succeed, but each failure offers valuable lessons that bring them closer to eventual success. They meticulously research, plan, and strategize before making decisions, but they are not paralyzed by the possibility of failure. Part 7. Surrounding yourself with the wrong people. Surrounding yourself with the wrong people can be one of the most detrimental obstacles to your financial growth and overall success. Your environment plays a powerful role in shaping your mindset, habits, and ambitions, often more than you realize. If you constantly spend time with negative, unmotivated, or financially irresponsible individuals, their attitudes and behaviors will inevitably influence you. Whether it's through discouraging your goals, promoting bad spending habits, or simply failing to challenge you to grow, the wrong company can keep you trapped in mediocrity. Part 8. Ignoring opportunities. Many people stay broke because they ignore good opportunities. They wait for the perfect time to invest, start a business, or try something new. The rich take action when they see potential. If you keep waiting, you'll watch others succeed while you stay in the same place. Part 9. Not having a long-term plan. The rich don't just think about today, they plan for the future. Many people make the mistake of living day by day without a strategy for where they want to be financially in 5, 10, or 20 years. If you don't set goals, you'll never know where you're going. Start planning your financial future now. Part 10. Wasting time on non-productive activities. Binge watching TV, scrolling through social media, or playing video games all day won't make you rich. Successful people use their time wisely. They focus on learning, working on side hustles, and improving their skills. Time is money, don't waste it. And there you have it. 10 things you must avoid if you want to be rich. Success isn't just about making money, it's about avoiding the mistakes that keep people broke. If you're serious about building wealth, start applying these lessons today. And remember, subscribe to my channel for more life-changing financial tips. See you in the next video.